Good morning everyone. Welcome to SSC Monk channel. Today is our third day of 40 days 40 math revision series, and in this class we will be discussing everything about we'll be completing each and everything of profit and loss. Now let's start. See guys, as you know, I have started this series completely for free and this is our third day. Two classes are already done. If you are joining from today, then do complete the previous classes because you have less time for SSC and you have to at least revise twice before the examination of all these things. Okay, so get ready, and I am assuring you after completing this sheet you will be 100% ready for SSC examinations. Okay, because I have compiled, I'm giving you each and everything which is required for your examination. So let's start. Now, before I start, I would like to inform you a few things. In profit and loss, on an average, in every examination, you will get 1 to 2 questions. Okay, so this is very, very important. There will be so many other uses of this particular chapter, so learn it from the basic. If your basics are clear, then this particular lecture will be amazing in terms of your examination. So in this lecture, we'll be covering basic concepts. If XCP is equal to YSP. CP means cost price, SP means selling price. Difference in cost price selling price problems, profit and loss on cost price selling price problems, same cost price same selling price based problems, successive change problems, dishonest seller problems, and marked price based problems. Okay, so let's start with full energy. I want all of you to start the lecture and the lecture, then practice it twice before the next lecture. So, and one more thing, I think few of you are already messaging me where to get all these things. So understand this, everything that I am giving you, the question paper, this class note, it is being available in SSC Monk official Telegram channel. So join this Telegram channel to get this class note and only questions for your practice. So join this Telegram channel. Now let's start. First question, basic. A person buys a table fan for 2800 and sells it at a loss of 12%. What is the selling price of the table fan? Sir, loss means what? Sir, loss means 100 minus 12, that is 88 by 100. That means, sir, this is 100 by 4 is equal to 25, 88 by 4 is equal to 22. That means this is my cost price, this is my selling price. So it is saying what is the selling price of the table fan? Now customer bought it at what? 2800. That means the cost price is equal to 2800. So selling price will be 2800 divided by 25 into 22. Yes or no? Now sir, 25 4s are 100. Now sir, 8 4s are 32. 2 here, unit digit, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So the last digit, unit digit should be 4. So the answer will be option D because it has only unit digit 4. Clear? Yes or no? Got it? Next. If the selling price of an article is 5 by 4 of cost price, then the profit earned in the transaction. Sir, what it is saying? Now understand this. Selling price of an article is 5 by 4 of its cost price. Of means multiply cost price. That means, sir, I can write selling price by cost price is equal to 5 by 4. That means my cost price 4, selling price 5. So profit is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. Yes or no? So profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100%, which is equal to 25%. Option D. Sorted? Next. A retailer sells an article for 486. Sells, that means it is the sales price. Makes a profit of 8%. If he had sold the article for 414, he would have lost it or gained it. Now in this question, he has lost it now. Sir, he is selling. Sir, sales price 486. Now second information, with a profit of 8%, that means 108 by 100 is what? Sales price by cost price. Yes or no? Now sir, this can be further solved. 108 by 4 is equal to 27. 100 by 4 is equal to 25. That means sales price is 27, cost price is 25. Now sir, if sales price is 27, which is equal to 486, so I can write cost price is equal to 486 by 27 multiply by 25. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, 27 1 is 27, 216, so it will be 27.8. So now 18 into 25, 18 into 25 is equal to 450. Basic calculation. Now cost price 450, new sales price 414. New sales price 414. So what is happening? Sales price is less than cost price. So loss percentage is equal to 450 minus 414 divided by 450 into 100%. So this can be written as 36 by 450 into 100%. 0 crossed out. 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. Sir, 40 into 5, that means 8% loss. Option B is the right answer. Clear? Next. This is the most asked type. Understand it properly. Okay. A purchased an item for 12,300. He spent 200 as cash. That means this was the cost price. Also, this has been added at additional cost for that item. Okay. So that should be included in that cost price. So actual cost price is now what? 12,300 plus 200 is equal to 12,500. Clear? Now he sold to B at 10% profit, who sold to C at 6% profit. Now C marked it at 295 higher than its cost price and allowed 10% discount to a customer find the profit. Now what is happening, sir? A here, let's say A's cost price was 100. He sold to B. Now he sold to B at what? At 10% profit. That means B's cost price is B's purchase it at how much price? 110. Now B is selling to C at 6% profit. That means C is paying how much? Sir, 106 divided by 100 into 110. Yes or no? Yes. So that means when A was selling to B, the cost price was what? 12,500. Now he sold to B. Then B someone sold to C. So C cost is what? Sir, for 100, this is the cost price. So for C, the cost price will be 106 by 100 into 110 multiply by 12500 by 00. 0 crossed out. Yes or no? Yes. 25 4s are 100. 25 5s are 125. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, further we can solve it. 2 2s are 4. 255s are 110. Now this can be further solved. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 110. So the cost price of C is what? Sir, 53 into 55 into 5. See, this is a bit of calculative question, but it is not that tough. Okay. So B paid how much? Sir, first multiply this. 55 into 5 is equal to 275 multiply by 53. So 275 multiply by 53 will be how much? Sir, 3 5s are 15. 1 out. 27 3 is equal to 81. 25, so 106 plus 107, 10 out here. 27 5 is equal to 135 plus 145. So this is equal to 14575. Yes or no? Now it is saying C marked it at 2915 higher than his cost price. So C paid how much? Sir, C paid 14575 because that is the amount C paid to get what? To get the actual product. Now C is doing what? C is adding, this is 5, okay? Don't get confused. 2915 to the whole transaction. 5 5 10, 7 1 8 9, 5 9 14, 14 to 16 plus 7 17. Now giving 10% discount. Yes or no? So what is the price? 0 crossed out. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36 plus 8 44, 4 out here. So 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67, 6 out here. 9 1s are 9, 6 15. So this is what? This is the final selling price. Now I would ask, what is the profit earned by? Sir, C paid this much. So the profit is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now I do not need to solve anything else because I know in the profit the last unit digit should be 6. and in all the options only A has the unit digit 6. So the answer is this much. Or you can solve it further and find the same answer. Clear? Next. A shopkeeper purchased 1600 mangoes at the rate of 120 per dozen. Understand this. That person has purchased 1600 mangoes. Now 120 per dozen means 12. A dozen means 12 mangoes. Okay. So cost price of each mango is what? 10. Clear? Now he is selling out of the 1600. He sold 900 mangoes 5 rupees. That means 5 rupees profit on 900 mangoes. So how much profit? 4500. Then he is selling the remaining. So out of 1600, 900 is gone. How much remaining? 700 mangoes. At 14 rupees, that means 4 rupees profit. Because he purchased each mango at 10 rupees, now selling at 4 rupees. So what is the profit? Sir, 2800. Sir, total profit is equal to 0, 0, 5, 8, 13, 4, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Clear? Now, what was the cost price? Sir, 10 rupees for each mango, 1600 mango, total cost price was 16,000. So what is the gain percentage? Sir, 7300 divided by 16,000 multiply by 100. 0, 0 crossed out, 1, 0 crossed out, 16 4 is 64. Clear? What is there? 90. 16 8 will be more than 16 8 will be more than 90. So 16 5 will be 80. Yes or no? So the answer will be 45 point something, and in this option only option A has that answer. Clear? I do not need to do the whole calculation. I can stop myself here and I can answer it. Sorted? Next. Find the gain percentage given that Priya sold her scooter for 42564, gaining 1 by 6th of the selling price. Now, Priya sold her scooter for this much. That means this is the selling price. Gain is what? 1 by 6th of the selling price. 6 7s are 45, 0 as it is. 6 8s are 40, 6 9s are 54, 2 4 6 4s are 14. So this is the gain. So cost price is equal to 42564 minus 7094. So 440697, 4 here, 42 minus 7 is equal to 35. So 35,470 is the cost price. This is the gain. So gain percentage is equal to gain divided by cost price into 100%. Sir, this seems 5 4s are 20, 2 out here, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47. So this is multiplication of 5. So 1 by 5 into 100% is equal to what? Sir, 20%. Basic fraction to percentage conversion. So what is the gain percentage of Priya? Sir, 20%. Clear? Next. XCP. It is saying what? XCP is equal to YSP. That means whenever you will be encountering a question like this, that if, remember the theory, if cost price of X articles, whatever it is, shirts, pant, car, something like that, is equal to selling price of Y articles, then understand this. Selling price is equal to X, cost price is equal to Y, profit slash loss percentage will be X minus Y by X into 100%. Now if minus comes, it will be loss. If plus comes, it will be gain or profit. Now, if on the same case, it asks if by selling X articles, the profit or loss is equal to selling of Y article then profit percentage is equal to y into 100 divided by x minus y. Loss percentage is equal to y into 100 by x plus y. Clear? With this basic theorem, we will be solving each and everything. Now here what is saying, if the cost price of 10 articles, so my x is what, 10, is equal to selling price of 8 shirts, that means y is equal to what, 8. So profit percentage or loss percentage is equal to what, x minus y. So 10 minus 8 by 10 into 100%. Sir, this is 2 by 10 or 1 by 5 into 100% can be written as, sir, 20% gain, because here the symbol is positive. So it is answer option B. Clear? Next. When cost price of X article is equal to selling price of Y article, the profit percentage is 24. Then what is the ratio of X is to Y? Sir, the very basic formula is profit percentage is equal to X minus Y by Y into 100%. Now, sir, this percentage is given 25%. So I can write 25 fours are 100. Yes or no? Or I can write X minus Y is equal to Y by 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or without complicating the whole thing, I can write 4 into x minus y is equal to y, because y will come to this side. So sir, 4x minus 4y is equal to y, or I can write, sir, 4x is equal to 5y, or I can write, sir, x by y is equal to 5 by 4. So the ratio is equal to what? 5 is to 4. Option A. Clear? Basic question. Next. By selling 100 notebooks, a shopkeeper gains the selling price of 20 notebooks. What I told you, if selling of this notebooks, that means x is here 100. Now loss or the profit is equal to 20 notebooks, that means y is what, my 20 here. So what is the profit percentage? Sir, profit percentage is equal to y into 100 divided by x minus y. That means, sir, 20 into 100 by 80. 24 is 80, 425 is 100. So profit percentage is equal to 25%. Clear? Basic questions, and these are being asked in your SSC examination. So get ready for these things. These questions can be solved within 15 seconds. It will save you a lot of time for your preparation. So focus on these things. Next. On selling 56 article for 3360, there is a loss equal to cost price of 8 articles. Find the selling price of 20 articles if the shopkeeper wants to earn a profit of 60%. Yes or no? Yes. Now, it is saying when I am selling 56 articles, I am losing 8. I am losing the amount which is equal to the cost price of 8 articles. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, let's say the cost price of each article is X. So 56 articles cost price will be X into 56, that is equal to 56X. Basics thing. See, this is the basic I am teaching you. Then I will tell you how to solve it easily. Now, it is saying loss is equal to cost price of 8 articles, that means 8X. So selling price is equal to what? 56 minus 8 is equal to 48X. Now this 48X is equal to what? 3360. Yes or no? Yes. So the value of X is equal to what? 3360 divided by 48. Sir, 4 12 is 48, 4 8 is 32, 1 6 4 4 is 0 here. Sir, 12 7 is 84, 0. Sir, each article's selling price is 70 rupees. Sorry, cost price is 70 rupees because X is the cost price. Yes or no? Yes. Now this shopkeeper wants to sell 20 articles at 60% profit. Sir, 60% profit means what? 8 by 5 into cost price. Sir, cost price of 20 article is what? 20 into 70. Sir, 5 4s are 20. 1 0 will be here. 8 4s are 32. Sir, into 7 is equal to 7 2s are 4. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is equal to 2240. So the answer is 2240. Most questions which seems that they are complicated, they needs a trick. You forgot to understand that simplest thing is the trickiest thing. This is not a arithmetic way of doing things. This is the best way of handling this question. Now, if someone will ask, sir, how to do it in terms of a tricks? Now, if you want to solve it in ratio method, how it will solve it? Sir, loss of 8 articles on the selling of 56 articles. That means loss percentage is what? 8 by 7. 1 by 7 into 100 or 14.28%. This is what? This is the loss percentage. That means, sir, if this is the cost price, this is the loss. Cost price will be 7. Selling price will be 6. Yes or no? Yes. Now, the very basic question. The very basic question is, sir, if I am getting the selling price of 56 article for 3360, cost price will be what? 3360 into 7 by 6. Yes or no? Basic thing. Yes. So this will be what? Sir, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 0, 7 0 are 0, 7 6 42, 4 out here, 7 5s are 35 plus 4, 3920. Yes. So cost price of total article is this much. What is the total article? 56. So cost price of each article is 4 14s are 56, 4 9s are 36, 4 8s are 32, 0. 14 7s are 98, 0. So cost of each article is what? 70. So now the customer wants to sell how many articles? 20 articles. So 70 into 20 is the cost price of all the 20 articles, but he wants to sell it at 60% profits. So it will be multiplied by 8 by 5. 5 4s are 20. Same, if I calculate, I will get the same thing, that is 2240. So if you want to solve the whole thing this way, you can solve it this way. If you want to solve it this way, you can solve it this way. Now, I am giving you this forum to understand whether this is known as the trickiest method, yes or no. This is what you learn from all available lectures, what is available in YouTube or the courses, because they teach, each one teach in what method? Ratio method. Now, I have put everything in front of you on this question. Now it is up to you to decide which was easy, which was tough, how to solve it, how not to solve it. Clear? Next. If after selling 30 pence, the seller observes the profit of sale price of 10 pence, then what is the profit percentage? Very basic question. So I will leave it as homework. Okay. Now, cost price and selling price given ratio based. Now it is saying in a case of particular transaction, the profit earned is 14.27%. Sir, 14 2 by 7% is equal to 1 by 7. The profit earned, that means this is cost price, this is profit. So sales price will be what? Cost price plus profit, that is 8. So it is saying what is the fraction of cost price and the selling price? Cost price 7, selling price 8. Answer option C. Next. D sells a table to E at a profit of 30%. E sells to F at a loss of 30%. What is the ratio of cost price of D and F? Sir, very simple. D, E, F. D, let's say cost price was 100. He sold to E at 30% profit. That means at 130 rupees. Yes or no? Yes. Now E is selling to F at 30% loss. That means this will be 130 into 7 by 10. 0 0 cross out. 13 into 7 is equal to 91. Sir, what is the ratio of cost price of D and F? Sir, D 100, F 91. So answer is 100 by 91. Clear? Next. A profit of 12% is made when mobile phone is sold at P rupees, and there is a 4% loss when it is sold at Q rupees. Now, sir, simple thing. Sir, P rupees is equal to, let's say cost price was whatever. Profit 12% means what? It is 112 by 100. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now 112 by 100 means what? Sir, 256 to 50, or I can directly write, sir, 4 2s are 8, 3 2, 4 8s are 32 by 25. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, in terms of loss of 4%, that means I can write Q is equal to 96 by 100, or 424s are 96, 425s are 100. Yes or no? Now it is asking what is the ratio of Q is to P. Sir, Q by P will be 24 by 25 divided by 28 by 25. 25 in denominator crossed out. 24 28 is here. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. Ratio 6:7. Option C is the right answer. We are done with the question. Next question. On a mobile, the profit earned is 250% of the cost price. Remember this. What it is saying. Profit earned is 250 of the cost price. That means if cost price is 100, profit is 250, sales price is what? 350. Got it? This is cost price, this is profit, this is sales price. Now it is saying if the cost price is increased by 50%, but the selling price remains same, what is the new profit percentage? Now cost price is increased by 50%. So new cost price is what? Sir, 150. So profit is equal to what? 350 minus 150 is equal to 200 upon the new cost price 150 into 100%. 0 0 crossed out. Sir, 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 200 into 2 is equal to 400 by 3. Sir, 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9.33%. That is option C. Easiest question. Sorted. Next. Cost price or selling price is equal to profit and loss of the goods. Now understand this. Selling 18 oranges for this many rupees. A man loses 20%. How many oranges should he sell for 819 to earn a profit of 30%? Now, first thing is you should not panic by seeing this question. Very simple. Man is losing how much? 20%. So 20% means 1 by 5. This is the loss. This is the cost price. So selling price was what? Cost price minus loss. That is equal to 4. Now this 4 part is equal to what? 151.20. Yes or no? Yes. That means cost price was what? 151.20 divided by 4 into 5. Sir, 4 3s are 12, 3 1, 4 7s are 38, 3 2, 4 8s are 32, 0 as it is. Now if I multiply this, 5 8s are 40, 4 out here, 5 7s are 35 plus 4 39, 3 out here, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So what is the cost price? Sir, 189. 189 is the cost price of 18 oranges. Yes or no? Yes. So the cost price of each orange is what? So the cost price of each orange is 18 ones are 18, 0.5. Yes or no? Yes. Now the particular person wants to sell all the oranges at 819 for a profit of 30%. For a profit of 30%. Sir, cost price was 10.5. On this 30% profit, that means 13 by 10 profit is happening. Now this is what? This is now the sales price of new sales price of oranges. Now how many rupees for it sold? Sir, 819. Yes or no? So what is the total profit? So what is the number of oranges? Sir, 819 into 10 divided by 10.5 into 13. Clear? Sir, 13 6 is 78. 3 9 33 is 39. Clear? Now here 5 2s are 10. 0.1 5 2s are 10. Sir, 2.1 also can be written as 21 by 10, or I can take out the 10 to the upper side, so I can write it here 10. Sir, 21 3 is 63. 3 into 6 is equal to 3 into 2 6 into 10 is equal to 60. So how many oranges are sold? 60 oranges are sold. Very simple calculation. Next, on selling 26 balls for rupees 1350, there is a loss equal to cost price of 8 balls. Sir, very simple. I am selling X article and I am having a loss equal to cost price of, I am having a loss equal to cost price of 8 articles. Yes or no? Yes. So here the loss percentage will be very basic, that is 8 by 26 plus 8, 34 into 100. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, this can be further solved. 2 4s are 34, 2 7s are 30, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 34. Yes, right. Now you should find the percentage, then you should find the cost price, selling price, cost price, and find the answer. Or I will say my methodology will be this. Sir, cost price of each article is X. So cost price of 26 article is what? 26X. Now loss is happening. This is cost price. Loss is happening of cost price of 8 articles. That means 8X. So sales price is what? Sir, sales price is 18X. Now this 18X is equal to what? 1350. So X is equal to what? 1350 by 18. So this can be written as 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 4 5, 9 5s are 45, 0. Sir, 275 is equal to 125. So I got the cost price. Now what is asking? What is the cost price of article? Sir, X is equal to 75. Now it is up to you whether you want to proceed with your trickiest, your so-called tricky, that is the ratio proportion method, or you follow my method and solve the question. That's it. Next, by selling 56 balls for 3570, there is a loss equal to this. So same thing. So it is a homework for all of you. It is the exact same question like the previous question. Next. Now, this is an interesting question. It is saying a shopkeeper sells 25 articles in a such a way that he gets a profit equal to selling price of 5 article. Sir, here sales. So the theory is profit percentage is equal to Y into 100 divided by X minus Y. That is 20. 5 4s, 20, 100 by 4 is equal to 25%. Basic formula I taught you in the very beginning of this types. Next. Same cost price or same selling price based questions. Lata bought 2 fans for 2160. By selling one fan at a profit of 15% and another fan at a loss of 9%, he neither gained nor lost in the whole transaction. Find the cost price of each fan. Now understand this. This is where you need to understand that this is not the price of each fan. This is the price of both the fans. So if one fan's price is X, another fan's price will be 2160 minus X. Clear? Yes or no? This is what you need to understand it very, very carefully. Okay? Otherwise, it will create confusion in your head. Now what it is saying? One fan is sold at 15% profit. Another fan is sold at 9% loss. So there are two things. What first thing is, one is being sold as 15% profit, another is sold as 9%, and the cost price is not even equal. The cost price is not equal in all the cases. Okay, so let's say he sold this fan at 15% profit, so it can be written as 1 by 5 by 100 into X, or and this fan he has sold, or this can be further sold at 23 by 20X. Yes or no? This is the selling price of this fan, and it is sold at a loss of 9%. That means 91 by 100. Yes or no? Yes. Now it is saying in this whole transaction he is losing, or he is not losing, or he is not gaining. That means the sales price is equal to cost price. Sir, sales price is what? 23 by 20X plus 91 by 100 into 2160 minus X is equal to cost price 2160. Sir, here I can write 23 by 21 is equal to 115 by 100X, because this will help me in the whole calculation. Now 115 by 100X plus minus 91 by 100X is equal to 2160 minus 91 by 100 into 2160. Sir, here 115 minus 91 is equal to 24X by 100. Sir, here if I take out 2160 in common, this will be 100 minus 91 by 100. Sir, 100 crossed out in both the cases. Here it is 2160 into 9. Sir, now 3 8s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 8 2s are 16, 5 6 8 7s are 56, 0. Sir, the value of X is equal to 270 into 3, that is equal to 810. Sir, one article's cost price is 810. In all the option, only one option is here. So the right answer is this. Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Got it? So this is how you can solve the whole question. Now someone will say, sir, this has a different approach. Yes, there is a different approach to this. Someone will say, sir, I will use ratio and proportion method. Yes, you can. But It is all about finding a methodology which will be natural to you, in which you can solve the question the quickest possible way. I find this the quickest possible way, so I solve it this way. Getting the point or not? So it is all about solving the question quicker and getting selected. It is not about which is right, which is wrong. As long as you are solving the question in 30-40 seconds in the examination hall, whatever you do is right with 100% accuracy. That's all. Clear? Next. A trader sells two shirts for 44,500 each. Here what is happening? Each shirt is 4,500. Okay? And this is what? The selling price. So the selling price of each shirt is what? 4,500. 4,500. Now he earns a profit of 20% of once. That means he is selling this, for an example, at 6 by 5. Yes or no? Yes. That means 6 is equal to 45. 5 will be the cost price. And he is losing 40%. That means here he is losing at the percentage of 3 by 5. That means 3 is here cost price, selling price, 5 will be the cost price. That means if 3 is the selling price, so that means cost price will be 5 into 1500. Yes or no? So here the cost price is 7500. Here the cost price is equal to 4500 by 6 into 5. Sir, 3 3s are 6, 3 2, my bad, 3 2s are 6, 3 1500 is equal to 4500. Sir, 2 750 is equal to 1500. 750 into 5 is equal to 3750. Clear? Yes. So it is saying what is the overall percentage gain. Sir, what is the total cost price? Sir, total cost price is equal to 7500 plus 3750 is equal to 75 plus 37 is equal to 112. Now what is the total sales price? Sir, total sales price is equal to 45 plus 45 is equal to 9,000. So what is the loss percentage here? Sir, 11,000 minus 250 minus 9,000 is equal to 2,250 divided by the cost price 11,250 into 100%. 0 0 crossed out. 25 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Sir, 45 5s are 125, 105 is equal to 20%. So the loss amount is what? Loss percentage is what? 20%. Clear? Simple questions. It is a bit of calculation required for these questions, but these are not that tough to answer. Sorted? Next. Rakesh sells two watches for 2,530 each. In one, he is gaining 15%. In another, he is losing 15%. Then find his approximate gain or loss percentage. Now, in this question, what we understood? We understood that something is sold at a different profit, something is sold at a different loss. But if you come across a question, if an article, if two articles, same objects, let's say same types, okay, are sold, one at X% profit and another at X% loss, then actual loss or overall loss percentage is equal to X square by 100%. Now here the trick is it is all about you are selling two articles at the same rate and at the same percentage of profit and loss. So here it will be 15 square by 100%, that is equal to 225 by 100%, which is equal to 2.25% loss. Answer option A. Clear? Next. Radha bought a fridge and a washing machine together for 57,300. He sold the fridge at the profit of 15% and he sold washing machine at 24%. Both are sold at the same price. I have solved the question. This is a homework for you. Now no one will come and say, sir, this was a hard question. I have solved the same question. Go and check. Radha purchased a computer table for 10,000 rupees and a center table for 5,000 rupees. She sold a computer table with 8% profit. With what percentage profit should he sell the center table so as to gain 10% on the whole transaction? Now understand this. This is the easiest way to solve. This is known as allegation method. Now first computer table, here center table, let's say. Now computer table is sold at 8% profit. Center table sold at X% profit, we don't know. Total overall transaction 10% is. Sir, we know computer table's cost price is 10,000. Center table's cost price is 5,000. So their ratio is what? 2:1. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 10 8s are 2. And this will be x minus 10. So I can write, sir, x minus 10 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. So I can write x minus 10 is equal to 4, or the value of x is equal to 14. So what is the answer over here? It is 14. So the center table is sold at 14% profit. This is classic allegation method question. Now, a person wants to buy 10 chairs. The total cost of 10 chairs is 4,500. Okay. After bargaining, the shopkeeper agrees to decrease the cost price of each chair by 20%. Then the person purchased 10% more chairs. What will be the cost of the chairs that he purchased? What will be the cost of the chairs that he... Now, very simple question. Customer wants to buy 10 chairs. Now, previously he was selling 10 chairs for 4,500. Now, customer bargained. He told that he will give a discount of 20% on each chairs. Each chair or total same thing. So each chair price is 4,500 divided by 10, that is equal to 450. 20% discount, that means 4 by 5. 5 9s are 45, that is equal to 360. Now each chair price is what? 360. Now this person wants to buy 10% more chair. Previously he wants to buy 10 chairs. 10% more mean he wants to buy 11 chairs at 360 rupees. The total price is 3960 rupees. Answer option B. Such a silly question. Next. Sold, bought more than X%. Yaman sold an item at a loss of 10%. He sold it for 57 more. He would have made a profit of 20%. What should be the selling price of the item to make a profit of 30%? Now understand this. This is the theory. You should remember it very, very well, because this is how you can solve the question without wasting more time. Now, if an article or item is sold at profit or loss of X%, if that shopkeeper had sold it for R rupees more, this is R rupees, okay, R rupees more, he would have gained or lost Y%. Remember this. If an article is sold at profit or loss of X%, if he had sold it for R rupees more, he would have made a gain or loss of Y%. Then cost price is equal to R divided by Y plus or minus X into 100. Now plus will be used when? Plus is used when one is profit and other is loss. Minus will be used when both case of profit or loss. That means when I am saying I sold the article at X, this percent loss, if I sold it at this percent more rupees, at 57 more rupees, the loss would have happened 20%. So then here minus will come. Here one is loss, another is profit. So here plus will come. So what is the cost price here? So the cost price here is equal to R 57 divided by Y plus X. That means 10 plus 20, 30 into 100%. Yes or no? 0, 0 crossed out. 3 19s are 57. So cost price is 190. Now he wants to sell it at 30% profit. That means selling price is equal to, sir, 13 by 10 into 190. 0, 0 crossed out. 9 3s are 27. 7 should be unit digit. Answer option A. Clear? Sorted? Next. Very basic question. It is saying an article was sold at a certain price. Let's say the article was sold, original sales price was 100 for an example. Okay. Now it was sold at 70% of the price, 70 rupees. So the loss happened was what? 10%. So when 10% loss happens, sales price is 6, sales price is 9, cost price is 10. Sir, when 10% loss happen, sales price by cost price can be written as 9 by 10. Yes or no? Yes. So if it is sold at 70 rupees, the cost price will be what? 70 by 9 into 10. Yes or no? Yes. So the cost price of the item is 700 by 9. If it is sold at original price, that is 100, this is what? Original price. What will be the percentage of profit? So profit percentage is equal to 100 minus 700 by 9 divided by the cost price, 700 by 9 into 100. So this can be written as 200 by 9 divided by 700 by 9, 9 crossed out into 100, 0 crossed out, so it is 200 by 7%. As simple as it is. Option B is the right answer. Very basic. Now someone will come and comment, sir, I want to solve it at ratio proportion. Now solve it. Now waste time, miss 3 questions, or due to the pressure of wasting more times in this particular question in your examination, wait for 30 minutes more to complete the paper in 90 minutes and you do not get selected. Our job, my job is to tell you the right way to break a question, the right way to understand the question, solve it quickly without having a headache. Basic method. Clear? Next. An article is sold at a certain price. If it is sold at 33, 1 by 3% of the price, there is a loss. Same question. So I will keep it as homework. Okay. Next. A person sold an article at a loss of 16%. Had he sold it for 6,660 more, he would have gained 8%. Sir, very simple. Sir, here cost price is equal to 1 loss, 1 profit, R more. So R divided by X plus Y, that is 24 into 100%. Sir, 4, 6 4s are 24, 110. Sir, this can be written as 110, 00 by 4. Sir, 4 2s are 8, 30, 4 7s are 28, 20, 4 5s are 20. So the cost price is what? 2750. Now it is saying if the article is sold at 3080, what is the profit percentage? Sir, profit percentage is 3080 minus 2750 divided by 2750. Now we can say, sir, this is 330 divided by 2750 into 100, 0 crossed out, 311, 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. Now 25 4s are 100, 4 into 2 is equal to 12%. So gain percentage is 12%. Done. Next. By selling 40 dozen bananas for 14,040, a man gains 20%. In order to gain 30%, for how much he should sell for 20 dozen of bananas? Very basic. Sir, selling price of 40 dozen is equal to 1440. Clear? Now, sir, 1 dozen bananas selling price will be 1440 by 40, 00 crossed out, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24, that is 36 rupees. Sorted? Now 36 rupees is what? With a gain of 20%, that means cost selling price 6 part is equal to 36, so cost price of a dozen is equal to 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. Yes or no? Simple thing I did, 36 by 6 into 5. Okay. Now if cost price of 1 dozen is 30, he wants to sell 20 dozen at 30% profit, so the selling price will be, sir, 30 each dozen for 20 dozen at 30% profit. Sir, 1010 crossed out, 332s are 60 into 13 is equal to 13 6 are 78. 780 is the selling price. Option D is the right answer. Next. A dealer sold a sofa set at a profit of 39%. Had he sold for 1565 less, here it is less, he would have gained 29%. For what value should he sell in order to gain 27%? Now, sir, very basic thing. Someone is selling at 39%. That means, sir, let's say his sales, let's say the cost price was 100. So he sold at 139. Now his selling is at 129. So the price will be 129. Now he is saying if the cost price, the difference between what it said, he sold at 39% profit. If he sold it at 1565 less, he would have earned this much rupees. That means the difference between these two profits is equal to what? 1565. Yes or no? Yes. Because 139 minus 1565 is this much. That means 139 minus 129 is equal to 10 parts. So 10 parts is 1565. So 100 part will be what? 1565 into 10 is equal to 15650. This is what? This is the original cost price. Now he wants to gain a 27% profit. That means 127 by 100, or I can write 15650 into 127 by 100 because of the clarity. 0 0 crossed out. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Yes or no? Yes. Now on the upper part it is 313 into 127, on the lower part divided by 2. Now I can do the simple multiplication and solve the question. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. So this is how you can directly solve the question. Now 313 127, if I solve it, 21, this will be 5, this will be 7, 39. So what is the answer on the numerator? 39751 divided by 2, that is equal to 19875.5. Answer option A. Clear? Next. That was simply calculative. Buying rate of an article. A vendor bought candles at 12 for 20 rupees and sold them at 6 for 12 rupees. Find his percentage gain. Now what is happening? 12 candles, 20 rupees. 6 candles, 10 rupees. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now he is selling 6 candle at 12 rupees, 12 candles at 24 rupees. So what is the profit percent? Profit 4 rupees on 20 into 100%, 4 by 5, 20, that is equal to 20% profit. Simple. Yes or no? Next. Ravi bought 20 buttons for 1. How many buttons you must sell for 1 rupees in order to get a profit percentage of 25%? Now this is a basic question, so I will give you as a homework. Next. By selling 40 dozen of bananas for 1440, a man gains 20%. Very simple question. You should try it. Some fruits are bought at the rate of 11 for 100 rupees. So 11 fruits are fruits price is 100, and the same amount of fruits at the rate of 9 for 100 rupees. If all the fruits are sold at the rate of 10 for 100, then very simple question. These 3 questions you should solve to get your conceptual clarity done. Now, dishonest seller. This is the most trickiest part. Okay, what happens in dishonest seller? In dishonest seller, the actual issue is he is selling you at lower amount, less quantity at more price. That is the case of dishonest seller. Okay. Now in case of dishonest seller, there are only 2-3 theories. First theory is that the gain percentage of the dishonest seller is true weight minus false weight divided by false weight into 100%. This will get him what? The gain percentage or the profit percentage. Now second thing is that if a vendor sells articles at X% loss on cost price but uses Y gram instead of X grams, sorry, X is there, let's say here Z grams. Okay, then his profit or loss percentage is equal to 100 minus X into Y by Z minus 100%. Clear? This is the 2 theory that will be coming in your exam. Now what is happening? A shopkeeper sells sugar by buying 35 kg instead of 40 kg each by using wrong weights. If he sells the sugar at a cost price, what is his profit percentage? Sir, what is Sir, here the true weight is what? 40 minus false weight is 35 divided by false weight 35 into 100. So this can be written as 5 by 35 into 100, or 5 by 7 is equal to 35. 1 by 7 is equal to 14.28%. So what is it profit percentage? 14.28%. My bad. This will be Z by Y. Okay. Z by Y. Next. A dishonest merchant sells goods at 12.5% loss on the cost price but uses 28 gram weight instead of 36 gram. Very basic. 100 minus X into Z by Y, 36 by 28 minus 100%. So this can be written as 87.5 into 9 by 7 minus 100. Sir, 7 1 ja 7. 1 7 7 2 ja 14. 3 5 7 5 ja 15. Now sir, 12.5 can be written as 9 5 ja 50, 45. 4 out here. 12 9 ja 108 plus 4 112 minus 100, that is equal to 12.5%. So what is the gain? Gain is 12.5%. Clear? Next. A dishonest dealer professes to sell his good at cost price but uses false weight, thus gains 20%. For 1 kilogram, how many grams of weight does he uses? Now understand this. Someone is gaining 20%, which is equal to true weight 1000 minus X by X. Sir, 120% can also be written as 1 by 5. Sir, this can be written as X is equal to 5000 minus 5x, or 4x is equal to 6x is equal to, so this will be 5x plus x is equal to 6x is equal to 5000. So x value is equal to 5000 by 6, that is equal to 833.33 gram. Clear? Next. A dishonest shopkeeper claims to sell rice at a cost price of 95 per kg, but the weight he uses has 1 kg written on it, while it actually weighs 950 gram. The profit he thus earns on selling the rice having an actual weight of 100 kg rice is what? Sir, basic thing, profit percentage is equal to what? 1000 minus 950 by 950 into 100%. That means 50 by 950 into 100%, or I can write 500 by 95 is the answer, or 100 by 19. Simple. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the what? Profit percentage. Now, what is happening? The profit he earns on selling 100 kg rice. That means 95 rupees per kg, 100 kg, the sales price is what? 9500. Yes or no? Yes. So if it is sold as this much ratio, so I can write, sir, the ratio of sales price to cost price is equal to 100 plus 100 by 19 divided by 100, or I can write 1900 plus 100 is equal to 2000 divided by 1900. Now this 2000 part is equal to 9500. So 1900 part will be equal to 9500 divided by 2000 into 1900. 0 crossed out, 10 crossed out. Sir, this is 19 into 19 into 5 into 10 by 2. Simple. Sir, 2 5s are 10. Sir, 19 is equal to 361 multiplied by 25. Sir, 5 ones are 5. Sir, in 3 options unit digit is similar, so I have to multiply 361 25. 36 into 5 is equal to 180 plus 2 182. 2 here, 18 here, 36 is to 72 plus 18 is equal to 9000. So the cost price is equal to 9025. Clear? Now the selling price is 9500. So profit is equal to 9500 minus 9025, which is equal to 475. That is answer option C. Clear? Basic? Next. Now this is an interesting question. Before we move further, remember this. Whenever same percentage of cheating, here it is the cheating is happening in buying and selling. Net gain percentage is equal to 2 into cheating percentage divided by 100 minus cheating percentage into 100. Okay. Now, and if on this again there is profit percentage, then net profit percentage is equal to 1 plus cheat gain multiply by 1 plus profit gain, selling profit gain minus 1. This is in fractions. Now let's solve this. What is happening? A shopkeeper chased 25% in weight while buying rice cheat 25% in sales. So cheat percentage gain is equal to what? 2 into 25 divided by 100 minus 25 into 100%. That is equal to 50 by 75 into 100. Or I can write, sir, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, 2 by 3, that means 66.67%, or this can be written as 2 by 3. Now gain percent is 12.12, that means 12 1 by 2% is equal to 1 by 8. Clear? Sorted. Now net profit percentage is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 1, that is 5 by 3 into 9 by 8 minus 1, or I can write 945 by 84, sorry 24, my bad, minus 1, or 45 minus 24 by 24. This is the percentage. So this is equal to 21 by 24 percentage. 25 by 24 into 100, if I multiply into 100, I will get the percentage value. So 25 by 24 into 100%. Sir, let's solve this. Sir, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21. Sir, 1 by 8, 100 by 8 is equal to 12.5. So 12.5% into 7 is equal to 87.5%. That is option A is the right answer. Clear? Next. A shopkeeper claims to sell 450 kg of rice at a cost of 40 per kg, but uses, so let's try this. It's a homework for all of you. Next. Marked price base. The marked price of an article is 160% above the cost price. If 30% discount is given, discount is always given on marked price. What will be the profit percentage? See, cost price, let's say 100. Marked price is 160% of the cost price. That means 160 by 100 into 100, that is 160. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is happening? He is giving 30% discount on this. That means the actual cost price, the actual sales price is now 160 into 7 by 10. 10 crossed out, 16 into 7 is equal to 112. Sir, 100 cost price, 112 sales price, profit percentage is 12%. Next. The marked price of an mustard oil is 25% more than cost price, but at what percentage less than the marked price should it be sold for no gain, low loss? Sir, 100 cost price. Marked price 25% more. So that means it is 125. Now he wants to sell it at 100 rupees because of no sell, no price. That means 25% discount on 125 into 100. 25 5s are 125. 5 by 100 is equal to 20%. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. So that's it, guys. In the next class, we will be learning about discount and all the things related to discount. So see you in the next class.